Hi, and welcome to HappyKittyCrafts. Today's craft is rock painting, which is usually more fun than it sounds. I've only been introduced to it a week ago and I love it. You'll need a set of acrylic paint markers like these. I'll leave a link below of where I got mine. They're quite affordable and I love that they're non-toxic, so it's safe for kids to use. And obviously, you need rocks. The texture and surface of the rock matters. The light gray rock on the right is too difficult to work on because it doesn't have a smooth surface like the other rocks, and I don't want to ruin my newly bought markers. I did have a rock that I didn't finish painting, but for this video, I'll set it aside and start painting a new rock. Just for you! You don't need to be a skilled artist to paint rocks. You can simply follow some patterns, have a good time with it, and don't stress too much about it because it defeats the purpose of this craft. Skip to the end of the video if you want to see the variation of patterns that you could try in order to end up with a beautiful design on your rock. I break them down and explain them in more detail on my sketchbook. The paint markers may seem weird to use at first, but you will get used to it in a matter of seconds. You first have to shake the pen, then press the nib down into itself to get the paint running to the tip of the nib. Then you can color very lightly away. For some colors, especially the lighter ones and the pastel ones, you're gonna have to apply several coats on the rock if you want a nice solid color. So apply one coat, wait for it to dry, and then apply the second, or third even. I'm very grateful for the awesome woman who introduced this craft to me. It ended up being a lot of fun and very therapeutic. It's a calming hobby to take on. And it's a wonderful craft to do with your kids, your family, your friends. You could go to the beach or park and begin rock hunting. Then you can have a small picnic and a painting session. All you need to do is bring your markers. So here are the variation of patterns that I promised you. Keep them in mind when painting the rocks. If you are feeling artistically challenged and overwhelmed with what to draw, take the easy but fun way out and reference this. You could use these rocks as decoration on your shelves or tables, but also you could put them to use by using them as paperweights or bookends if they're heavy enough. You could decorate your garden with them, create a pathway of beautiful painted rocks, or you could also leave them at the park or beach where you found them as a nice little surprise for other people to find. And I wouldn't be that concerned about it damaging that environment so much. First of all, because it would be a public park that people visit anyway and frequent. And it would be a public beach that people frequent as well. And then secondly, because the acrylic paint is non-toxic, so I don't think it would disturb the environment that much, but let me know if I'm wrong and enlighten me or educate me. Also, if you have ideas and suggestions of other ways to use these rocks, please comment below. And if you did like this video and thought it was helpful, please give us a like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching Happy Kitty Crafts and have a great day.